Welcome back, everyone. Today we're practicing the crooked grind, and I would recommend actually going really slow and learning the first half of this trick, and not focusing on coming out of the crooked grind. I think that's one of the harder parts of the trick. I would focus on locking into it first and getting that down before you build more speed and learn how to commit to a crooked grind from start to finish. So I would recommend finding a ledge, a small ledge that you can learn this one on. Go slow at it, pop, and practice the lock-in just like this. And you want to come at a slight angle, nothing too crazy. And you'll see here that once I pop, the trucks are almost at level with the ledge already. So you don't want to go too much higher than that. And that's the thing about crooked grinds. You don't have to ollie too hard to get into one. And if you go much higher than this, you're going to slam down on the crooked grind and you're probably not going to slide, or you're going to come to a stop. So I think that's what makes it easier when you progress with this trick and you try it on handrails or whatever else, and you're popping higher. You don't need to try too hard for getting into this one. That's what I like about it. So once you gain speed and get comfortable with it, the harder part of this trick is really just getting out of it. And you'll see that I'm doing a slow one here, so it's there's not much of a push out going on. You're really just nudging with your front foot to get it off the ledge and clear it. And I think it's easier than coming out of a nose grind, because when you're trying a straight on nose grind, you have to clear the back end of your board over the ledge and make sure you're going fast enough for that. Oftentimes you'll clip the back truck on the ledge on your way out. And for a crooked grind, you don't have to worry about that so much, because obviously the board's crooked, so your back truck's not directly over the ledge, and you just really focus on that little nudge out. It's not really like a nollie, it's just like a power nudge that you just use to push yourself off the ledge, and it's gonna work better the faster you're going. So that's what makes it, I think, difficult, is that when you feel comfortable going slow with this trick, and you really just have to end up going a little faster to get that nudge out. And you can practice, setting your board into a crooked grind and just nudging out halfway on the ledge just to get that motion going. If you can compartmentalize a trick and just learn it like that, then great. If you're the type of person that just likes to do it all at once, that's cool too. You need to make sure that your weight is on the heel side so that the truck is pinched. If the truck's not pinched, you'll really have the nose digging into the concrete part of the ledge, and that can also make you stop. So it's important to really make sure that that edge of the truck is locked in when you're doing a crooked grind also. So those are my tips on crooked grinds. I think those are the most important parts of the trick. I just wanted to talk about it more informally. I know you guys like these practice videos, so let me know what next you guys would like to see in a practice video. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.